Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Calendar to your Wix website step by step. If you want your visitors to easily see your upcoming events without leaving your site, adding a Google Calendar is a simple and effective solution. It keeps everything updated automatically, so anytime you add or edit an event in your Google Calendar, it will reflect on your website without any extra work from you. First, open your Wix editor. On the left-hand side, look for the App Market icon and click on it. This is where you can add extra features and tools to your website to improve its functionality. Once the App Market opens, go to the search bar at the top and type Google Calendar. You should see it appear in the results. Click on it, then select Add to Site. Wix will automatically place the calendar onto your page, so you can immediately see how it fits into your layout.
Next, click on the calendar element and open the settings panel. This is where you'll connect your Google account and customize how the calendar works on your site. Inside this panel, you'll find options to link your account, choose which calendar to display, and adjust how your events appear to visitors. It's basically the control center where you manage both the connection and the overall look of your calendar. In the settings, you'll be asked to sign into your Google account and give permission for Wix to access your calendar. Once you allow this, Wix will be able to pull in your events and display them directly on your website in real time. After connecting, choose which calendar you want to display. If you have multiple calendars, like personal, work, or shared team calendars, make sure you select the correct one that contains the events you want your visitors to see.
You can also customize how the calendar looks. For example, you can change the view to monthly, weekly, or whatever you prefer, and adjust simple design options like colors or layout, so it matches your website's overall style and branding. If your events don't appear right away, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a moment to sync. You can refresh the editor, and if it's still empty, double-check that you selected the right calendar and that your events are not set to private in your Google Calendar settings. And that's it. Your Google Calendar is now connected to your Wix site and will automatically update with your latest events, making it easier for your visitors to stay informed. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or got stuck anywhere, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.